having a workshop for community members to come along and do their own waterbug survey.
How cool is that?
So cool. What we've done with the National Waterbug Blitz is we've tried to take close to 30 years of ecological monitoring that was done by various governments around Australia, and we've taken that as a baseline and a beginning, and then we've invented a sort of a set of methods that work as citizen science and got them on a comparable footing. The numbers that you'll get from doing the process that we do today will actually stack up quite comparably with that old data. And we've done that for all of Australia. And we've got this cool thing where as a citizen scientist, you can go out and actually do your assessment of the creek. So at the end of the day, you end up with credible data. So we do that by taking photographs on the phone and stuff like that. And it all gets thrown into a great big database and we map it. And so there's these beautiful maps now of Australian river and stream condition that give you an idea of how the landscape is trending. In general sort of terms, there's no huge surprises there. Water bugs tend to just not like us very much. And so you've got this thing where up the very, very tops of catchments, you get lots and lots of different types, and they're all amazing and they're all sensitive and stuff. And the instant we start using the catchment for our own purposes and having it affect the river ecology will, take a nosedive in it. And the rate that it does that is the sort of thing that we're interested in. Some of these critters are absolutely bomb-proof. You cannot kill them, and they'll go all the way down the river right into the most horrible, nastiest urban drain that you can imagine. And then other critters will just turn their tails and drop dead the instant you chop a tree down. So there's that beautiful spectrum of critters and their tolerance to the sorts of things we do to the catchment around them. That's the cool thing about today, is all the work that you guys do picking bugs out of that tray will go into a point to create a data point that will give us an idea about the ecological health of the river at this point. A lot of it actually happens on the Waterbug app, which is an app we've invented. You can use all of the features that your phone has. The app puts you onto this page, which is a virtual ice cube tray. All of the different types of bugs get sorted by you guys into the cells there. And then once we've done that, this will give us a score for the site and it'll give us a count of the biodiversity and stuff. Blowing the net into the water like that, and then I reef it towards me, and you can see how the water then looks like it's boiling. And you'll notice that I'm starting to make a mess. The turbidities come up instantly. There's a bit of habitat over there, I want to clobber that. But it's all about that backstroke and then catching stuff. Backstroke, catching stuff, backstroke, catching stuff. And you'll notice we've got a sample there.
Lots of leafy litter type stuff.
Here we are, these are our shrimp. So this animal here is one of the ones that dies easily. This is a mayfly.
Today's survey has shown 18 bugs so far. We're still going, so we could get a few more, maybe 20, maybe 22. So the diversity of water bugs right here on Concheway Creek is really amazing to get that many.
This one might come off the stick.
Second leg with pincers, or transparent, and the front pairs of legs all similar sized.
Okay.
Which is really cool that you can tell it, because he's really juvenile. So when we were tidying up, we found 2 extra snails on the white trays. So we've ended up with a final score, 24 different critters, which is awesome, and 3.5. So because they were snails, it brought that score down just a little bit. But yeah, that's overall really good.